Hello, Technician Mr. Jupiter today, and I'll be doing another video. Today I'll be showing you how to, I'll actually show you how to solve a 2x2. Let's start. Let me scramble it up. Okay. First, you want to get the white side. So first, you want to look where all the white pieces are. So you can just do specific moves, however you solve that. There's different ways to do that. Next, if you don't have the rim, if you have the rim, skip to when you see just don't skip yet. Just watch this, just so you know. So is what I have right here is I'm gonna take this down, but you can't do that. So what I like to do is I just scramble it up again and solve the white again, because it's going to make it different. So let me go back to that state. This is a hard mix up. And see how you might get one? It's not all of it. So next, I have a green right here and a green right here. So what I'm going to do, take it out of the way so the white is with the green under it. Then you take that green, put it over here, and then you take it back up and it'll be on right there. Now you want to solve for the white again. So do it however you want. Sometimes you might just get that and then there's none else. Another thing I would say is do that same thing again if that doesn't, but let's say you didn't. Just wait until I get to that part. Sec. Oh my gosh, why is this so hard sometimes? Oh my gosh. This is like my third time. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay. Have to do it a fourth time. This sucks. Sick. This is actually pretty hard sometimes. Okay, I got the rim. Okay, now if you got the rim, turn to the yellow. If you have any yellow pieces, if you have a yellow, only one yellow, that's like anywhere, put it in the bottom left corner. If you have two yellows on either side, put them on the right side. If you have none, just do the algorithm. So what I'm going to do is you're going to go right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. Which right inverted is turning the right side down. Right is turning it up. Up is turning this like that. Or if it's up inverted, turning it like that on the top. So keep doing that a couple times. And you'll eventually get it. That looks so weird. Sometimes you might accidentally forget a move and you have to solve the white and everything all over again. That's okay. You'll most likely get the rim again. Okay. Okay. Come on, this is taking so long. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. When you do it a long time, for a lot of times you might forget to move and stuff. But that's what happens. Ugh. Finally. Now, let's say this is called a solid color when you have a full side, but let's say you didn't. Just turn it like this. 2. So, put yellow on top if you have solid color, put it on the back if you don't, just do. Now is what you want to do, is you want to turn it up twice, either direction. It'll work either direction. Then right, back, right, so it's a D move. So the back of the cube is going to go right. Front is going to go counterclockwise, which is the other way of the clock. And then you want to go right inverted, back, left, right, front counterclockwise twice again, and right inverted. Sometimes it might not work, so do that again until you get it. So yellow on top, which I have to solve for the yellow again. This is so hard. Okay, there we go. They got the same solid color. So, yellow on top, so back, up to right, back, right, right, counterclockwise twice, right inverted, back left, right, twice, right inverted, and there we go. Now you solved the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Thank you guys for watching, and sign off for now. Pound it, noggin. See ya. Peace out. Bye.